So, what is inducement in forex trading? What do we mean by inducement in forex trading? That's what we are going to quickly discuss in this video. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Go ahead and like the video. That's the only thing that I will ever ask you to do. Otherwise, I don't ask you to buy anything. I don't sell you anything. Everything that we provide for free on this channel. If you are looking to download free forex robots, free indicators, systems, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. We are going to talk about inducement. Somebody asked me what is inducement in forex trading, so I'm just going to try and simply show it on my charts. It's a common concept in trading supply and demand. If you trade supply and demand like I do, it's a common concept called inducement. Basically, what are we saying about inducement? Inducing. We are saying sometimes in the market it happens that the big players are going to want to fool you to take some trades, then they kind of flip them against you so that they can generate some liquidity or whatever, for whatever reason. So what usually happens is, before, like, we have my levels there, I hope you can see them, this gray line and this gray line. So sometimes what happens is you find that price comes towards the next level, then it starts dancing around this level. And for people who are not so patient, the impatient traders, they take that as a signal that the market is exhausted. The bearish move is exhausted, and we should start seeing price going back here. It eventually does. It actually eventually does. But before this actually happens, what do the market makers do? They push the price down to this level before they take it back up. And what would they have achieved here? All these buy trades that are here had their stop losses somewhere here, somewhere in this zone. All of them, they are taken out. Before what? Before the market maker swings price right back into the direction that these people actually had intended. It actually illustrates the point that sometimes in the market you need to wait. Patience in the market. Wait for price to come to your levels. Don't be impatient. Don't try to force things. Don't try to rush things. On a chart, what would this probably look like? This scenario that we probably just shown. It'll probably look like this scenario here. You can see there, this is on a 1 hour time frame. So every candle that you are looking at there is actually a 1 hour candle. So you saw price came to this point, and we actually have our levels there. We have a level here. My line just disappeared behind the indicator there. Okay, we have a level there, and our other level is there, so that things are clear. Let me make this one blue. Let's see if we can make it blue and visible. Let's make it in foreground. Let's bring it in the foreground. Is it in the foreground? I don't know. But anyway, so you saw price came down here. And what did we get after what? After that, price started dancing around this level. Price started dancing around this level. And all these are 1 hour candles. All these are 1 hour candles. And you sort of were watching price going this way, and price came here, and you thought like, yeah, here price has indeed lost momentum. All these 1 hour candles, and there seems to be no interest in going to the actual level. So it means that we are going back up. We are what? We are going to go back up. So people then who are impatient traders would have jumped in here and started what? Buying. And probably they would have put their stop losses either on this area, in this area, depending on however people place their stop losses, maybe somewhere there, somewhere there, somewhere there. But you can see the scenario, what's happening here. Let's say they put their stop losses on this one, for argument's sake. Then price sort of went up a bit, and probably they thought, yes, we got it, sniper entry, we got it right in time. Look at what then they did. They then just danced around there and took it down and took out all the stop losses that are in this region. Took out all the stop losses that are in this region before what? Bringing the prices up, and it then continued going up. So that's a basic description or a basic explanation of what inducement is in trading, when it comes to, especially when it comes to trading supply and demand, support and resistance. Sometimes you are going to be induced to take, it might have seemed like a good trade here, a good buy trade going this way, a good buy trade, but here you were induced to go early into the market. And it does happen on buy trades, sell trades. Instead of waiting for prices to come to the actual level that they had in mind, so they induced you by holding prices here, and price slightly went up, and you were smiling. Obviously, you thought, I nailed it, sniper entry, I nailed it. Now I can close my charts and I can go away and come back, and I would have made a lot of money. But when you come back, you find that your stop loss in this area has actually been taken out. You are out of the trade. And what happens next? They take prices up, but you are out of the trade. You have been dropped out of the trade. So that basically illustrates and explains what inducement is in trading. It's them showing you some false signals. They are showing you some false signals and actually tempting you to actually enter your trades earlier than you should. And this often happens with traders who are impatient, which is why sometimes it's certainly important or good that you wait for price to actually come to your levels. Let prices come to you. Let prices come to you at your levels, and don't try to rush in when things don't really make sense anyway. So I hope this quick video explains what price adjustment is in trading, and if you still have questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.